Hello everyone, welcome once again. This is Supriya Malhotra, working as an assistant professor in RPIIT Medical and Technical Campus Karnal. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about what is the difference between laser light and X-rays and how laser lights are different as compared to X-rays. These are some difference between lasers and X-rays. First difference is due to its wavelength. In laser light, the wavelength is of few thousand angstrom. As already we know that the wavelength of visible light is lying in between 3000 to 7000 angstrom, whereas the wavelength of X-rays is of few angstrom. For example, just like in range between 1 angstrom to 10 angstroms only. And the second difference is due to its coherency. Laser light are highly coherent in nature, whereas X-rays are not highly coherent. Next and last difference is due to that laser light is obtained due to its phenomena called stimulated emission of radiation, or we can say that it is result of this emission, stimulated emission of radiation, whereas X-rays are given out when high speed electrons are target when high speed electrons strikes the target of having high atomic number and high melting point also. So this is the video in which in which I told you about the how laser light are different as compared to X-rays. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching us. Do like, subscribe our YouTube channel, that is RPIIT Academics. Thanks for watching us.